First, we shall introduce all the accessories. This is the foundation, the hanger, the water trap, high pressure air pipeline, high pressure oxygen pipeline, power line, EtCO2 sensor, two long pipeline and three short pipeline, Y connector, L connector, water trap, test along, temperature probe, water column, humidifier, 4 short connectors, then we shall start the installation. First, we shall install the hanger like this to rotate it on the foundation. And then we connect it on the left side of the ventilator, this part. Open it and connect, then we rotate the screw to make it tight. And you can adjust the angle by 3 angles on the hanger to make it the most suitable position, like this. Second, we install the humidifier. Just put it in like this. And then we can press this blue item to insert the water column. And then we connect 2 short connector and put it on the left side of the humidifier. And another 2. First connect and install on the right port on the humidifier. Thirdly, we shall take the 3 short bracing circuit. The first one we connect on the inspiration port. The second one we connect at the expiration port. And then we connect the first short pipeline on the other side to the humidifier on the right port, like this. And the third one, short pipeline, we shall connect on the left side of the humidifier. Then we shall connect the water trap on another side of the short pipeline. Now take 2 long pipeline to connect on another side of the water trap, 1 for each. And we put the long pipeline like this. Now we should connect this black item on the front side of the hanger. And then we can put the long pipeline onto it. Then we connect the Y connector to combine the two long pipeline. On another side of the Y connector, we should connect the ETCO2 sensor. For another side of the ETCO2 sensor line, we should connect here on the yellow port. The L connector should be connected on another side of the ETCO2 sensor. Last, we should connect with the test along. So these are all the installation for the ventilator. Then we should connect the temperature probe for the humidifier. Take this port, one side connect on the port, another side on the right side of the humidifier foundation. Now we turn to the back side of the ventilator. First we should connect the water trap on the high pressure air pipeline. One side we should rotate it on the air port. Another side we directly insert on the right port on the air compressor. And this blue one is the oxygen high pressure pipeline. Connect one side on the oxygen port, rotate it. And another side, you can connect with the cylinder or the central oxygen supply. Now we should connect with the power line. First side on the ventilator and another side here. And also connect the power line for the humidifier to the second socket. Then for the main power, we connect it at the bottom side at the socket, and another side you can connect with the power. So all the installation finished.